Ah.
So guys, it's basically the second day. Yeah, but my uncle didn't want me to record. I don't know why. He didn't want me to record. He wanted me to help him. But now I'm gonna record him anyway.
Mashallah.
This is yours. That's mine.
Nilsondelana. So, ngisho uthengathintile.
Yabona what le Pepsi likude kanjani manje?
Ah, ilichiftile lona.
Asi.
Hey, ngane la beke khona ibambe ngayo leyo edge. Chief. Hey, yayibona?
Bye.
Selengani. Cause
Let's focus on getting out number. Listen to me.
snatch.
So I basically mixed 2 different days to show you how we make this straight. And like my uncle arrived, which is Umalume. I call him Malume in Zulu, then I call my other uncle in English. Yeah, I call him uncle in English. So these are 2 people that you will be seeing the videos in the series and in more videos. So yeah. This is phezulu, I need to tell you. Ngizoyenza nge-hip dance. Oh. guys, it's the third day. Yeah, the car is now starting. Yeah, it's now starting. And yesterday we were busy with this. Much more good.
Lapho ubuyelile yatuma. Isanda ngathi yona lena.
Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, don't be busy. But it didn't.
Lapho ubuyelile yatuma. Isanda ngathi yona lena.
Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, don't be busy. But it didn't. Utshintsha kuthini? So yeah, guys. It's starting again. It switched off. I don't know why it switched off. I think my uncle switched it off, but now it's starting again. Like, step one done. Step one done. Then now have to continue fixing that fender. I don't know what you call it, but that thing on the fender until it's done. And yeah, because now everything is good. Step number one is finished. But now the problem is it's raining outside. See? That's how good I did that. If you see a kid take a good back shower. Bring it in. The engine is overheating.
Or low coolant levels due to a leak.
Okay.
So towards our radiator, there's a possibility to have a leak.
So apparently this car is overheating. Not sure for where, because when you go it says the car has leaks, but when I check while it was dry, there were no leaks. So I don't know, we're gonna check the car tomorrow or today late because raining. Like, it's not raining, it's drizzling. But then we can't work. See, because the floor is wet. And yeah, we'll need to work tomorrow. Right now I'm going to turn off this car and park it, because now there's nothing we can do at this moment. It's drizzling. My uncle tried starting it again, and it was showing the sign, like, it was showing the sign that it's overheating. I don't know, we will check tomorrow, I think. Yeah, because there's nothing we can do now. Like, yeah, because I checked the car. Even I'll record for you properly. There was no leaks in this car. Besides, maybe if it's this, it might be this, might be. So that thing is an auxiliary heater. It warms up the windows, the windscreens. Yeah, basically the engine before you run it. Not sure, because the radiator, the radiator is not touched. The radiator is not touched at all. I'm not sure. We're gonna take off the bumper tomorrow, maybe when the sun is out. Yeah, we'll take off the radiator. It's the bumper. I mean, the bumper, and check if the radiator is good. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll record late or maybe tomorrow, which is day 4 tomorrow.